Drone Pool here. I'm going to do a few unboxings, or let's just open some stuff. The weather's been too crappy to do anything outside. So I got a couple things to open up. So let's start. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Engpow LiPo battery. I like that little box. It's a handy little box. Okay. This is a 3000 milliamp battery. High discharge. XT30 for the Bugs series. I can put this in the Bugs 2, the Bugs 3, the Bugs 6. See if we can get some longer flight time. Engpow. I got this off Amazon from a seller called 3 Stone. Now, can I just gripe about something real quick? On all my MJX Bug series quads, when it goes into LBC, I bring it in, I land it, and I thought, man, that wasn't a very long flight. So what I've done, I've taken this little battery tester out to the field with me, and I've checked the voltage of it, and then I have a little chart on my phone that tells me what the voltage is in percentage of the battery. And when it goes into LBC and I check it and I look at the chart, it still has 65% power left. Why does MJX set the LBC so high? That's ridiculous. 65% and it goes into LBC. I hate that. I hate that. So, that's my gripe for today. I'm sure I'll think of another one later. Oh yeah, I got a gripe right now. Stupid U.S. Postal Service. You seen their new tracking stuff? You track a packet and it says, in destination to next facility. Then the next time, in destination to next facility. It doesn't tell you where it was at. It doesn't tell you where it's going. Next facility. Oh, it didn't used to do that. Yeah, I hate that too. Okay. All right. Maybe I'm done. We'll see. All right, let's see. Here's another box right here. Okay, now, I got this off of Amazon. And the reason why I got this, because I was able to get it cheap. $15. Okay, Force One, who makes the Ghost drone, and they make the Red Heron, the Blue Heron, Blue Jay, other drones. Okay, they got a Facebook page. If you go to Facebook and you go in the search engine and you type in Force One, it'll take you to their Facebook page. And then you go to the top of the page and just scroll all the way over, and on the very last tab it says Offers. You click on that and you'll see what they do have available for special pricing. So I got this $50 drone for $15. Because I got it for 70% off. Okay. That's why I got it. There's nothing really special. This is probably a good kid's drone more than anything. The UFO 3000. 2-speed LED stunt drone. Now these are supposed to have super bright LEDs all in these prop protector rings here, which makes it pretty cool at night. So this would probably be pretty good for someone learning to fly drones. Has headless mode, which I won't use. Has altitude hold, I didn't know that. flip mode, 1 key start LAN, 4 channels, vibrant LEDs. Oh, kind of nice little box too. Force One. Your satisfaction is our success. And it's, I don't know, it looks pretty cool. Now for a quad this size, seems to have a little bit of weight to it. See what I'm thinking? What I'm thinking is, I wonder how it flies with the little all-in-one camera right on top, right there. I guess I need to get this under the camera better for you guys. Come on. And it has a 500 milliamp battery, which means it should be easy to use some of your other batteries you got on hand. Don't have to buy special batteries. Boy, if you want to take this apart, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 16, no, 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18 screws. I've done worse. So yeah, I'm kind of interested to see what this flies like. Just leave that there. See what else is in the box. Got a nice little manual in color. It looks like it's in very good English. Force One does do a pretty good job on their quads. Here's the remote. I'll look into that. Yeah, pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. Here's what I really want to look at. Whoa, they gave me an extra battery. I didn't know that. Well, look at that. Let's get this remote out. Okay, this is a little bit bigger remote than like the Furbies and all that, and that stick is centered, so I'm wondering if that'd be a little bit easier to control. So as of right now, I kind of like that. I have to go over the 4 batteries, AA, AAA. Those AAA? Oh yeah, AAA batteries, not AA. 4 AAA. Yeah. So I kind of like that. Kind of like that. Okay, you get 4 props, charging cable, which I use my hobby charger, and you get another battery. So you get 2 batteries. So that's nice. I like that. Okay, so that's that. So what I will do, I will charge that battery, and we'll do a little flight test. Since I have 2 batteries, I can do a flight test in the basement here, and then we can go outside and see how this does outside with the LEDs at night. That's what I really want to do. Okay, Force One UFO 3000, $15 through the Force One's Facebook page. Coupon 70% off. Can't beat it. Alright, one more thing to open up. Okay. Got this. Now, after having a bad experience with a Chinese vendor, after seeing other people have bad experiences with Chinese vendors, and PayPal really not doing anything to help the consumer, but sticking by the vendor, I told myself, look, I'm not going to buy any more quads or electrical stuff unless it's through Amazon where I know they have your back. Well, this particular item was for $130, $129 on Amazon. I found it on eBay for $70. That's quite a savings, about $60. So I went ahead and ordered it. When PayPal sent me an email saying, you sent money to so-and-so, it said you had just made a payment to Tom Top Limited or Incorporated or whatever. So apparently this came from Tom Top, but it was shipped from within the United States. They must have a warehouse in New York or something. So this just came today. You ready? The XK251 Whirlwind. Man, I've been looking at this for a while. Now, this is by no means a racer, but it's the next best thing. Nice box. Nice box. It's got a nice transmitter. 6-axis gyro. 3D 60 switch, brushless motors. Mine's the 251A standard. It's got the X7 transmitter. Man, it'd been nice to get this set up. Oh well. Alright, let's check it. Let's check it, check it, check it. I'm gonna check it. XK Whirlwind instruction manual. You know, it does look pretty simple, instruction wise. Almost reminds me of the Bug series manuals. Don't really look like there's much to it. Dang, there's only like 4 pages. I figured it's 5 pages. I figured it'd be a lot more than that. Oh well. Alright, let's open it. Okay, I must have had it upside down. Here's the transmitter. It's kind of dirty. Well, it's kind of... Yeah, this is not altitude hold. This is all manual crap. You can go in here and set all kinds of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do some figuring on this. Read that manual, watch some videos. Got 4 props, a screwdriver, and a little Allen wrench, charger, there she is. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Little tiny brushless motors. I like it. There's a port right there for a camera. I've seen a video already on that. $950 milliamp 7.4 battery. I guess you just plug it right in there. Let's do that. See what happens. Man, it seems kind of hard. Doesn't even seem like it goes in. There we go. I think that's it. So that's it. And man, this thing is a little speed demon from what I've seen on YouTube. Now I can't get that thing out. I'm serious, I can't get it out. I'm gonna have to pry it out. So there, that's the XK Whirlwind. May have to tighten them up a little bit. So yeah, I'm excited to do this, to get that going. Alright, this has been kind of a long video. I better cut it short. So as soon as I get any of these up in the air, I'll give you a shout and show you what's going on. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Chat with you later. This is Drone Pool signing out.